welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing an inspired makeup tutorial inspired by Meghan Trainor's newest music video for Let You Be Right. I am so excited that she has some new music out, and I love the music video, and I really wanted to create a look from that video, so I chose the one that is just very nuded and neutral. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Before I get comments down below asking why in the world my wrist is green, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there is a green and blue line going around my wrist, and that's because I wore a bracelet yesterday and it was a little bit too tight on my wrist, and it ended up turning my wrist green. Sometimes jewelry does that to me, so yeah, but let's just go ahead and get around into the eyes. So like usual, I've already did my foundation, my brows. I already did one eye off camera. Y'all know the drill if y'all are familiar with my channel. So for today's eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using shadows from my Sephora palette. I think this is called the Into the Stars palette or something like that. This is what they had last Christmas, because they do like a little limited edition holiday thing. I'm actually going to be taking the really neutral nuded soft pink right there, and I'm going to be applying that into my crease using my crease brush. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush with nothing on it, and I'm just going to blend out that transition shade just a little bit more in my crease. Alright, so I'm going to mix that light pink with this kind of baby pink right there, and I'm just going to mix those two shades, and I'm going to put them into my crease. I'm just going to use my blending brush again, and you guessed it, I'm just going to blend those shadows out. Take that shimmery taupe color right there, and when you hold it up in the light, it actually has little specks of pink sparkle in it, which is really pretty. So I'm just going to use that on my lid as my lid color. Alright, now for the inner corner, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner using this white highlighter from the e.l.f. highlighting palette. Now in a little bit, I am going to use that same highlighter on my face. Now in the music video, Meghan Trainor had a really bright and shimmery inner corner, so I'm going to try to recreate that using this highlighter. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. smudger brush, and this is just a little sponge tip brush. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes using my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to apply some mascara, and the mascara that I'm going to be using is just the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Alright, so in the music video, again, Meghan Trainor did not look like she had a contour, but rather just a soft bronze to her skin. So that is what I'm going to do today as well. And I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Rose Champagne. If you are fair like me, this will make a very nice bronze shade on you. The best part, this is only from the drugstore. This is only $2. You literally can pick this up anywhere that drugstore makeup is sold, and it's cruelty free. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush. For blush, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. blush in the shade Shy. And this is just a really soft baby pink blush. I feel like it's going to go perfect with this makeup look, since this is a really soft and neutral and nuded makeup look. Alright, and again, we are going to use that white highlighter from this e.l.f. highlighting palette. And this time I'm going to be using this on the tops of my cheekbones to highlight my face. Alright, so next up is lips, and that is the last step for this makeup tutorial, which kind of makes me sad because I have really enjoyed filming this tutorial for you guys. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in a hot minute, even though you guys can't tell on my channel. But anyway, for lips, first I'm going to be taking this Covergirl Exhibitionist lipsticks. These are new, and you can get these pretty much anywhere that Covergirl is sold. They have like a bunch of different finishes. They have mattes, they have metallics, and then I think they just have like creams or shimmers or something like that. This one is a demi matte, and this is in the shade Streaker, and this is just a really light pale nude color. I'm obsessed with it. I love the smell of these as well. I don't know why, I just really like the smell of CoverGirl lipsticks. They smell really good to me. So I'm going to be using that first, and then over the top of it, I'm just going to be using this lip gloss from Beauty Concepts. You can get this at TJ Maxx, and this is just a sheer nude lip gloss, and I'm just going to be using this over the top of that lipstick to give my lips a little bit of a shine and a little bit of a glossy look. That's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching this tutorial. I have a bunch more coming that I am so excited to film for you guys. And so, yeah, until next time, I'll see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.